Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your phone is updated and online. Make sure battery and signal are good. Open the Microsoft or Outlook app, then tap Sign In. Enter your Microsoft email or phone and the password. You may be prompted for verification. Use your Authenticator app or SMS code. Once done, choose Stay Signed In for convenience or Not Now for privacy. Finally, set up PIN or biometric unlock when offered so future access is seamless and secure. Once signed in, navigate to Account or Settings inside the app to configure sync and permissions. You want Mail, Calendar, and Contacts enabled if you rely on them. Make sure OneDrive backup is toggled on for files and photos if you need cloud access. Then review security options. Enable two-step verification or add a recovery phone and email so you can regain access quickly. Also, check notification preferences so you only get important alerts rather than every message. To finish, verify everything works by sending a test message and checking your calendar entries across devices. Make sure OneDrive shows recent uploads. If syncing stalls, sign out and sign back in, then clear the app cache or restart the phone to resolve common hiccups. For persistent issues, go to Account. Microsoft. Com from a browser to review security settings, reset your password, or remove old devices. This centralized step often fixes access problems and keeps your account secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.